Okay, so types of physical quantities, girls. There are two different types of physical quantity. Okay, one type of physical quantity is known as base physical quantity, and the second type of physical quantity is known as derived physical quantity. Okay, so first I'm going to discuss about base physical quantity. Okay, what is base physical quantities, girls? Base physical quantities can be defined as the minimum number of physical quantities selected, and their units are defined and standardized such that in terms of these all other physical quantities can be expressed. So this is known as base physical quantities. Okay, girls, base physical quantities are only 7 in number. Okay, so the group of these 7 base physical quantities which are selected by the group of scientists, in terms of which other physical quantities can be obtained, in terms of which other physical quantities can be expressed. So that is known as base physical quantities. Okay, and these base physical quantities are only 7 in number. Okay, as I told you that these base physical quantities are only 7 in number. So one base physical quantity is length. Okay, second is mass, time, electric current, thermodynamics, temperature, amount of substance, and luminous intensity. Okay, so these 7 physical quantities are known as base physical quantities, which was selected by the group of scientists, and in terms of these base physical quantities other base physical quantities can be derived, other base physical quantities can be expressed. Okay, and the unit which are used for these base physical quantities, that is known as base units. Okay, now first I will tell you about the symbol and unit which is used for the measurement of these base physical quantity. So before starting this, first I will tell you about the system international unit. Okay, girls, this system international unit is given in your book on page number 8, international system of unit. Okay, girls, what is international system of unit, girls? International system of unit, as its name indicate, that it is a name of system. Okay, and what is system international unit? It can be defined as a complete set of unit for all physical quantities. A complete set of unit for all physical quantities is known as system international unit or international system of unit. Okay, girls, the international system of unit is abbreviated as SI unit. Okay, and girls, actually SI unit is the short form of French system. Okay, named as System International de Unit. Okay, and System International Unit, which means that international systems of unit. Okay, before System International Unit, girls, all countries use their own system of units. Okay, such as CGS was used. Okay, and FPS, that was the name of system, that was also used before System International Unit. Okay, but this System International Unit is applicable throughout the world. Okay, and it is very convenient for daily use. Okay, so nowadays this System International Unit is more commonly used. Okay, girls, System International Unit SI is based on 7 base unit from which all other units are derived. Okay, girls, table number 1.2 in book on page number 8 is given, and as you can see in your book, girls, that these are the 7 base physical quantities and these are 7 SI base unit. Okay, girls, in SI base unit, such as the length of unit is the unit of length is meter. As I told you that there are different types of unit used for the measurement of length, such as centimeter is used, millimeter is used, meter is used, micrometer is used. Okay, but girls, SI unit of length is meter. Okay, same girls, different types of unit used for the measurement of mass, such as gram, kilogram, microgram, milligram. Okay, but SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, same girls, there are different three different unit used for the measurement of time duration, that is hour, minute, second. Okay, but the SI unit of time is second. Okay, same different types of unit used for the measurement of electric current, but the SI unit of electric current is ampere, and the symbol of ampere is capital A. Okay, the next one term is thermodynamic, and the SI unit of thermodynamic is Kelvin. As you know it very well that the Celsius and Fahrenheit are also unit used for the measurement of temperature. Okay, amount of substance, the SI unit of amount of substance is mole, and luminous intensity. Girls, the word luminous intensity mean intensity, light intensity. Simply luminous intensity mean, girls, brightness of light. Okay, or intensity of light. Simply brightness of light is known as word that is known as shining. Okay, glowing of light, shining of light, brightness of light, intensity of light is simply known as luminous intensity. And the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. Okay, so girls, these are 7 SI base unit which are used for the base physical quantities. Okay, so base physical quantity. What is base physical quantity? As I told you that base physical quantities are only 7 in number. Okay, in terms of which other physical quantities can be derived, in terms of which other physical quantities can be expressed. Okay, first one, base physical, name of base physical quantity and their units are given. Okay, the name of first base physical quantity is length. Okay, length means the distance between 2 points is known as length of an object. Suppose if we take an example of length of a book. So length of a book, suppose if we want to measure the length of a book. So length of a book means the distance between first and the last point is known as word that is known as length of an object. Okay, girls, 3 different units are used for length of an object. Small l, small x, and small r is the symbol used for the length. Okay, SI unit of length is meter, and the symbol of meter is small m. Okay, next one, base physical quantity is mass. What is mass? As I told you, the quantity of a matter in an object is known as word that is known as mass. Okay, symbol of mass is small m, and SI unit of mass is kilogram. Okay, and symbol of kilogram is small kg. Okay, kg, k and g both letters are small letters. Okay, the next one, base physical quantity is time. Okay, what is time, girls? So time duration. Okay, time period or time duration. Okay, symbol of time duration is t, and the SI base unit of time is second, and the symbol of second is small s. Okay, the next one term is electric current, which is simply known as electricity. Okay, and as I told you, electric current means the flow of negative charges or the flow of electron is known as electric current. Symbol of electric current is capital I or small I. Okay, and unit is ampere. SI unit of electric current is ampere, and the symbol of ampere is capital A. Okay, the next one is thermodynamic temperature. Okay, temperature means the hotness or coldness of an object is known as temperature. Okay, the degree of hotness or coldness of an object is known as word that is known as temperature. Symbol of temperature is capital T. Okay, SI unit is Kelvin, and symbol of Kelvin is capital K. Okay, amount of substance. Amount of substance mean quantity, simply quantity. Okay, amount of substance, and symbol of amount of substance is small n. SI unit is mole and symbol is MOL. MOL. Okay, E is eliminated. The last one base physical quantity is luminous intensity. Okay, symbol of luminous intensity is capital I. SI unit is candela and the symbol of luminous candela is CT. Okay,